Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any wig related questions. So today I'm showing you another one of the brand new Spring 22 Amore styles. This is Tate and the color on this one is Creamy Toffee R. More on her in just a minute. Let's start taking a look at this new Amore style Tate. So Tate, as you can see, is a short style. She is a double mono top with a lace front, and she does have some permatease. All around this mono top, there is some permatease. So there's going to be some back here, you know, to get volume, and you're getting your volume on the sides from this permatease that's around here. But other than that ring, I'm not really feeling a lot of permatease in it. As far as the way this cap is fitting me, this cap is pretty small. It's fitting me like a petite. So just something to note about this particular cap. This line is known to run smaller. So I will do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and then we can get into all of her measurements and stuff. So here she is from the front. Give her a shake so you can see her movement. Here's my left. The back, my right, and back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise for Tate, her fringe here in the front is 5.3 inches. She is 6.3 inches back here from the crown, and then her nape is 3.1 inches. So some of these styles like this have a shorter nape. This one just happens to have a little bit longer nape, you know, making her just a little bit, you know, different from some of the other pixie, you know, or these shorter voluminous styles that you see. So her weight, by the way, is 3 ounces. So she's very, very lightweight. So I will show you her lace front. Lace front looks good. Even though Creamy Toffee R does have a, you know, medium brown root, the knotting looks really, really good. The lace is a little long. I would probably cut that back, but that's just my preference. It is transparent, so it's not really showing. And then I've got good coverage since I am a petite. I am 11 inches ear to ear and 13 forehead to nape. So, you know, I'm getting good coverage on this, but if your head is larger than, I'm not even sure about average for this. I would say average is probably the max. You know, you may have a little more bio hair or more of your, you know, less coverage here on the sides. So, but the ear tabs look good, you know, so I'm pleased with that. Okay, I will pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. Okay, so here's her part. It's still a little zigzagged. But one thing that's nice is that with this full mono top, you know, you can part her anywhere you want to, and you're gonna get that scalp appearance all over the top. So, you know, you could go right part, you could go center part, however you wanna part her. So that's kind of nice. So here is that full double mono top. This is a feature of these Amore wigs. You'll see that double mono top. And then she's got this temple to temple lace front. Looks nice. The ear tabs are covered with lace and there's plenty of hair for, you know, you can't, she doesn't really have the length to pull her back all the way, which we'll see in the styling, but she's really cute to tuck behind the ear. So plenty of coverage there for that ear tab with hair. Nice piece of metal in there. She's got an open wefted cap. She has not really an extended nape. She doesn't really need an extended nape. It's just, I wouldn't call that extended. It is a lace covered nape. And then her adjusters are pull adjusters. I didn't have to pull these adjusters in at all for my 21-inch circumference. So again, like I said, this is fitting quite petite. There's a little bit of stretch to the cap, but I still feel like average and below is gonna be the right size for this cap. Okay, we can talk about this color, Creamy Toffee R. So like I said, this is a rooted color. You can see that rooting, and I'll show you the part on my head. I actually just remembered I forgot to show you that. So there's that part on the mono top, but like I said, you can part it, you know, anywhere you want to up here, and you're gonna get that scalp appearance. So, but anyway, what we're talking about now is the color. So there's the rooting. You can see that rooting is gonna be all the way around your face, you know, and anywhere that you separate the hair, you're gonna see that rooting, but it's just a medium brown root. So it says it's a blend of dark and medium golden blonde with platinum highlights and medium brown roots. So, and I can see those lighter pieces running through there. This is it with just the ring light. Still a little bit of glare. These blondes are always hard to show because the lights just pick up, you know, a glare from them. I'll turn off the ring light here. So this is just in the, you know, above room lighting. Okay, so here's Creamy Toffee R outside. You can see the rooting. There's the lace front. Okay, so here we are in bright sun. We'll step into the shade here. Really pretty. You can see that platinum really nicely in this lighting. Okay, so we'll look at styling and glasses and all that kind of stuff. So you can point her little layers towards your face if you want to. Or if that, you know, and towards your chin, or if that is not your thing, you know, you can smooth them back. So that's one way that you can style her. I actually like her kind of smooth back. That pointy stuff towards the face isn't really my thing. So, but I just wanted to show, you know, what those options are. So she's really cute. I'll go ahead and show you this before I do the glasses. She's super cute, tucked behind the ears. I actually like her tucked, I think, better than I do with the fuller sides. So really cute. Okay, so the glasses. Glasses work fine, no problem, you know. They will go up on your head, but you're going to have to be a little careful because you do have that permatease on the side, so it does, you know, bump out a little bit there. But they do go up on the head. I would just, as always, tuck the hair first before I, you know, put the glasses up. So she's cute with a headband. And you can wear her, you know, with a headband smoothed if you want to, or go in and wake up that permatease and bump her up back behind that headband, and she looks cute either way. So whatever your preference is, you know, that's the thing about these shorter wigs that have this permatease around the monotop like this, you know, you have that option of fluffing up the volume or tamping it down. So here she is with just the headband, and that looks really cute. Or you could put a scarf through her or whatever, so that looks really cute. So she doesn't have any kind of length for, you know, pulling her half up, half down or anything, but you could clip her back here right behind the ear, and that would be cute, you know. If you, I mean, it's almost the same thing as tucking her behind the ear. I think that would be my preference, but you know, if you just want to add a cute little clip, something sparkly or whatever back there behind the ear, you could do that too. So she's a cute little addition to their new collection. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. And until next time, take care of yourselves. I thank you so much for watching my videos. And don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye!